see the Huawei Stelato S9, a collaboration between BAIC and Huawei. It's a fifth car on the Huawei Smart Selection Car program. Just by looking at it, you can tell it's a top-tier sedan with dimensions similar to the Mercedes-Benz E-Class in China with long wheelbase. Positioned alongside the highly popular AITO M9, it's expected to hit the market at around 500k Chinese yuan. In terms of the design, if you've seen the Huawei and Chery joint venture, the S7, you might get a sense of deja vu because their design styles are quite similar, much like the relationship between the Mercedes C-Class and the E-Class. While most people know this car will, like other Huawei Smart Selection cars, boast the latest Huawei Smart driving technology, its buzz is still higher than many other cars in its class. That's because in China, hardly any sedan can shake the sales of Mercedes-Benz E-Class, BMW 5 Series and Audi A6L. Once the price goes over 300k Chinese yuan, brand reputation becomes the primary consideration for consumers. So the Stelato S9 could be seen as a litmus test for Huawei Smart Selection Car's brand power. The sales performance after its launch will speak volumes. I'm keen to see what technologies this car will showcase. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for continuous updates on this car's details.